Hey guys, Tanner Mullen here at Whitecap, Chevrolet, Buick, GMC in Slave Lake, Alberta. We haven't done a walk around Wednesday for you guys in a while, so this truck here actually kind of sparked our creativity. It's a GFX. They're kind of rare. You've probably seen one now and again on the road. But what a GFX is, it's actually an SLT. However, not all SLTs were created equally. This one has the laser effects package on it, the decals. So it can kind of stand out from the crowd. If you're like me, you don't want to be driving the exact same thing as everybody else in your hometown. So this truck kind of lets everybody know that it's you. Also with the GFX package, this SLT is actually equipped more similarly to a Denali than an SLT. It actually has the trailering package, the Bose sound system. It's got heated steering wheel, heated and cooled seats, lane departure warning, front and rear park assist. This has the off-road package as well, so you got Z71, Rancho suspension, tons of stuff, guys, tons of stuff. It's a crew cab as well. This particular truck is actually a 6-liter gas job with 410 gears as well. So guys, this is one of the most important things about this truck. It's a 2015. It's still got warranty on it. 37,000 kilometers, just over 37,000. Just like I said, here's your control panel here. Front and rear park assist, lane departure warning, your heated and cooled seats, downhill descent control, touch up down pedals. This truck pretty much has everything. Also, if you notice here as well, we usually use wood grain inside of our higher spec trucks, and this one has kind of like a carbon fiber custom GFX thing going on. You can view a lot more about this truck on our website at whitecapgm.com, along with the rest of our stock. And if you want more information, always feel free to give a call too at 780-849-2600. Thanks guys, hope to see you soon.